Previously on our DIY saga, the pressure tank is almost ready for battle. I've installed the penetrator plug. The engine hoist is standing tall, ready to lift that lid like it's hiding treasure. And the manual pressure pump? Sitting there like a caffeinated squirrel, itching to get started. Before sealing the pressure tank, I gave the O-ring a spa treatment, generous layers of silicone grease. Why? Because dry friction is the O-ring's worst enemy. We're not here to create rubber confetti when the lid goes on. Time for some gentle persuasion. I used the engine hoist to lift the pressure tank lid, just a smidge, like cracking open a soda can with trust issues. Then, I slid the water pipe in like a ninja on a hydration mission. Let the flooding begin, controlled, of course.
Oh.
I took a power nap. The water pipe took that as a cue to escape. It slipped out, and the bathroom turned into a mini flood zone. Time to clean up, again. Water level, mission complete. Before sealing the pressure tank, I cracked open the air release valve, because trapped air is the silent saboteur. Then I wiped down the contact area like prepping for a surgical seal. Lid goes down. Let the pressure games begin. Time to tighten the 12 big bolts. What you're witnessing now is pure bolt tightening kung fu. That's kung fu, not just martial arts, but the art of persistence, precision, and wrist endurance. Let's torque with style. What the heck? After all that bolt tightening kung fu, one of the through-hole bolt plugs is leaking. I opened it up, and the tiny O-ring inside was shattered. My heart? Also shattered. Bolt kung fu, round 2. Surveillance cam deployed. Pressure tank, under watch. Filled the pressure pump, hydration complete. Cranked it to 1 megapascal, like I'm inflating a space balloon. Waited 5 minutes. Walked in like a leak detective. No drips. No drama. Suspiciously quiet. I kept cranking, pressure now at 2 megapascals. Then I spotted a tiny leak in the pump's water hose. Did I panic? Nope. I gave it the classic engineer's nod, not today. And kept pumping, all the way to 3 megapascals like nothing happened. Confidence level, dangerously optimistic. I kept pumping, pressure creeping toward 4 megapascals, right at the peak. Just kidding. Everything's fine, except for a tiny leak in the pump hose. But hey, that's tradition. My arm was tired. I needed coffee, engineering fuel. Brewed a cup, walked downstairs like a champion. And saw it. Pressure dropped, just a little. The tank betrayed me. Time to pump again. Caffeine-powered vengeance. Took a break. Sat down with coffee, finally. My cats came over, curious as ever. Sniffed the mug like it held secrets. It does. It's called survival fuel. After countless rounds of pressure drops and heroic pumping, the 2-hour test was finally over. I let the pressure settle at 2 megapascals and checked the tank. Everything looked good, except a tiny leak at the exhaust valve. This tank can definitely handle 4 megapascals. I designed it for 5.5, but let's be conservative. 4 megapascals is plenty for testing small ROVs and similar gear. Coming up next, a 100-meter pressure test of a long watertight cylinder with quartz glass. Don't miss it. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.